Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to make a private story on the Snapchat. So if you are looking for how you can basically create a private story on your Snapchat, so watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application, go to your chats. Once you will in your chats, you have to click on your profile icon on the left top. Once you will do it, you will see your profile is here. Now in the my story you will see private story option, so you have to click on the private story and here you have to select the people you want in your private story. Let's suppose I want these two friends in my private snap story, so click on the create story, then rename it. Okay, now click on the save. Your private story is created now. So this is the procedure to create a private story on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.